The original 7 World Trade Center was a 47-story building, designed by Emery Roth and Sons, with a red granite facade. The building was 610 feet, 190 meters tall, with a trapezoidal footprint that was 330 feet, 100 meters long and 140 feet, 43 meters wide. Tishman Realty and Construction managed construction of the building. The groundbreaking ceremony was hosted on October 2, 1984. The building opened in May 1987, becoming the seventh structure of the World Trade Center. 7 World Trade Center was constructed above a 2-story Con Edison substation that had been located on the site since 1967. The substation had a caisson foundation designed to carry the weight of a future building of 25 stories containing 600,000 square feet, 56,000 square meters. However, the final design for 7 World Trade Center was for a much larger building than originally planned. When the substation was built, U200AXXXVII U200 the structural design of 7 World Trade Center therefore included a system of gravity column transfer trusses and girders, located between floors 5 and 7, to transfer loads to the smaller foundation. U200A5, U200A existing caissons installed in 1967 were used, along with new ones, to accommodate the building. The fifth floor functioned as a structural diaphragm, providing lateral stability and distribution of loads between the new and old caissons. Above the 7th floor, the building's structure was a typical tube frame design, with columns in the core and on the perimeter, and lateral loads resisted by perimeter moment frames. A shipping and receiving ramp, which served the entire World Trade Center complex, occupied the eastern quarter of the 7 World Trade Center footprint. The building was open below the 3rd floor, providing space for truck clearance on the shipping ramp. The spray-on fireproofing for structural steel elements was gypsum-based monocoque, which had a 2-hour fire rating for steel beams, girders and trusses, and a 3-hour rating for columns. U200A11, U200A mechanical equipment was installed on floors 4 through 7, including 12 transformers on the 5th floor. Several emergency generators installed in the building were used by the New York City Office of Emergency Management, Salomon Smith Barney, and other tenants. U200A13, U200A in order to supply the generators. 24,000 gallons, 91,000 L, of diesel fuel were stored below ground level. Diesel fuel distribution components were located at ground level, up to the 9th floor. U200A35, U200A after the World Trade Center bombings of February 26, 1993. New York City Mayor Rudy Giuliani decided to situate the Emergency Command Center and associated fuel tanks at 7 World Trade Center. Although this decision was criticized in light of the events of 9/11. The fuel in the building is today not believed to have contributed to the collapse of the building. U200A2, U200A the roof of the building included a small west penthouse and a larger east mechanical penthouse. Each floor had 47,000 square feet, 4,400 meters of rentable office space, which made the building's floor plans considerably larger than most office buildings in the city. In all, 7 World Trade Center had 1,868,000 square feet, 173,500 square meters of office space. U200A1, U200A2 pedestrian bridges connected the main World Trade Center complex. across Vesey Street, to the third floor of 7 World Trade Center. In addition to several acquired artworks from artists such as Frank Stella, Roy Lichtenstein, and Ross Bleckner, the lobby of 7 World Trade Center housed a large mural by artist Al Held, titled The Third Circle.